Hi everyone and welcome to the Friday Wrap. My name's Adele and even though Damien's away this week, we're going full steam ahead, showing you some of the best wrap cars in Australia. It wouldn't be a week at Graphico without one of our famous blackout packs. This week we have a Mercedes E63. We have blacked out all of the badges, wrapped the chrome strip in the rear in gloss black, and we've also put a trim around the wheel edge, which makes it look much more sinister and sporty. This week we also completed additional vehicles for Access Hardware. We've worked with Access Hardware for many years now on their national fleet, and we just completed 4 additional Subarus, which has a combination of one-way vision and vinyl cut graphics across the sides and rear of the vehicle. A fantastic way to reflect your brand. We also completed a van for Struck this week. When it came in, it was looking a little bit tired, didn't stand out on the road at all. But as you can see now, we've done a full matte black wrap with some additional vinyl cut graphics on top. And we worked really closely with the client from the early design stages all the way through to production and installation. And as you can see, the van has gone under quite a transformation. And this is another way to reflect your brand. Now last week you saw some progress shots of the 2 Jeeps that we were wrapping for City Jeep, one in hot pink and one in a black and white camo. I'm very excited to share those completed images with you. They look fantastic and can be seen down at City Jeep. From cars to tow trucks, we have quite a mix of vehicles in this week at Graphico. We have the 2-towing tow truck, which is sponsored by The Wheel Shop and Lorbeck. We've worked with the client from the very early stages of design, and we are currently in the process of wrapping the cabin with some additional contrasting gloss graphics on top as a second layer. Be sure to tune in next week for the completed shots. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Friday Wrap. Be sure to comment below and let us know which car is your favourite. We'll see you next week.